Hey, good morning, everybody. Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? It is Thursday, January 16th, 2025, coming from the sauna in the bunker. We've got 126 degrees. Let's talk about XRP. So, for those of you that follow me, I've said this again and again and again. Well, not maybe every 8 months to a year. I first saw XRP, or first got serious actually about cryptocurrency, March of 2017 when I was in Albuquerque, New Mexico. And Litecoin was like a buck, I think, $1.82 or something. XRP was like 0.00625. It was crazy. But shout out to all the XRP holders that held on and weren't swayed by this goofy SEC decision. Because really, when you think about it, I say I own XRP. We really lost a whole 4 years, give or take, with the SEC debacle. And now that that's behind us, you could see the explosive power of XRP. I have no idea where XRP is going. Again, the one thing I do know for a fact is that with crypto prices, you got to give ranges, you know. I mean, it could go up to 10. It could go up to 20. I mean, again, no one knows. Take my word for it. No one knows for sure. Hey, shout out to the XRP network, getting ready to go on my cryptocurrency road trip, 2025 Crypto Bull Run road trip. Follow me on Twitter, repost to friends. If you see something on YouTube, share it with a friend. It's going to be fun. I'm going to be going around the not the United States, this first trip around the Midwest portion of the United States, giving out crypto merchandise. But yeah, that's it. Salute to the XRP holders. Yeah, there's more I want to say, but I'll just leave it at that. Crypto Mentor 99, thanks for being a part of my crypto family. Take a look at the Dabba network below. For $199, you could buy a router that they install in India. And this is really a ground floor opportunity. The token launch is end of first quarter. And yeah, passive income. This is no goofy passive income. No one's trading crypto. No one's leveraging crypto. I'd encourage you to check it out. Some of the gains could be a couple $100 a month to a couple thousand once the market cap grows a little bit. So anyhow, that's it. Crypto Mentor 99. Thanks for being a part of my crypto family. You know I love you. See you later. Bye-bye.